Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will create two essential components of motorcycle, the right fork outer body and the left fork outer body, and the detailed sketch is shown on the right. First, we will create the right fork outer body using the different feature creation tools of SolidWorks as first configuration, and then you will create the left fork outer body as second configuration by suppressing some of the features from the right fork outer body. So let's start. Click here. The new SolidWorks document dialog box will appear and the part button is chosen by default. Now choose the OK button. Now, creating the base feature of the right fork outer body, go to Features Command Manager and select the Extruded Boss Base button and select the top plane as the sketching plane. Now go to Circle drop down, select the Circle button, click on the origin and create one circle. Choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, dimension the circle and put the value 45. Now choose the OK button. Exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. The Boss Extrude Property Manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and here in the depth spinner, put the value 470. Now choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is the loft feature. Go to Features Command Manager, then select the reference geometry flyout and select the plane button. From here, the first reference, select here, and in the distance spinner, put the value 63.5 mm and choose the OK button. Now select the Sketch Command Manager and select the Sketch button and select the plane which we have created. Now go to Circle drop down, select the circle, click on the origin and create one circle. Choose the OK button, go to Smart Dimension and dimension the circle. And put the value 64 and choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner and change the orientation of the model. Click here and change it to isometric. Now go to Features Command Manager and select the Lofted Boss Base button. Now click here and here and choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is the Shell feature. From the Features Command Manager, choose the Shell button. The Shell Property Manager is displayed. Now select the top planar face of the model, click here, and in the thickness spinner, put the value 3.5 and choose the Show Preview button. Now we will apply different thickness value to the selected face of the model using the multi-thickness setting rollout of the Shell Property Manager. Click here, change the orientation of the model and select the bottom planar face of the model, click here, and in the thickness spinner, put the value 67. Now choose the OK button. Now select the display style and change it to wireframe. Select again and select the shaded with edges. The next feature of the model is a cut feature. From the Features Command Manager, choose the Extruded Cut button, open the Feature Manager design tree and select the front plane. Now we will draw the sketch by using the tools available in the Sketch Command Manager. Go to Line drop down, select the line, zoom here, create a line over here, one horizontal and one vertical, click here. Now invoke the arc tool, click here and click here. Choose the OK button. Now go to Smart Dimension, click here and put the value 6. Click this line and put the value 64. Click here, put the value 6 and choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be through all, and select the both option and choose the OK button. Now mirroring the cut feature, from the features command manager, go to linear pattern flyout and choose the mirror button, and mirror face plane, select the right plane as the mirror plane, and features to mirror, choose the extrude cut 1. Now choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is a hole feature, for which select the right planar face of the cut feature, click here. Now go to insert, go to features and choose the simple hole button. The hole property manager is displayed, and in the direction 1 the end condition will be through all, and the diameter of the hole will be 20 mm. Now choose the OK button. Now select the hole feature and choose the edit sketch. Zoom here. Now go to display and delete relations drop down, go to add relation, and selected entities, select the center point and the origin and give it a relation vertical. Choose the OK button. Now go to smart dimension, click the center point and the origin and put the value 25. Now choose the OK button. The sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. Now creating the extruded feature, go to extruded boss base button from the features command manager and select the right plane as the sketching plane. Click here. Now go to circle drop down, click on circle, create one circle over here. Now go to smart dimension, dimension the circle and put the value 25. Now click the center point of the circle and the origin and put the value 32. Again center point of the circle and the origin and put the value 356. Now choose the OK button. The sketch is fully defined. Exit from the sketch environment. The boss extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind, and here reverse the direction, and in the depth spinner put the value 25. Now choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is a counter bore hole. The counter bore hole is created by using the hole wizard tool. From the features command manager, choose the hole wizard button. The hole specification property manager is displayed. Now choose the counter bore button from the hole type rollout of the property manager. Click here. The hole type rollout of the hole specification property manager is used to define the type of standard hole to be created and its parameters. The buttons available in the rollout are used to create a specific type of standard holes. The counter bore hole is used to create a counter bore hole. Now we need to set the parameters to define the counter bore hole. The standard will be n-symmetric, and in the type it will be hex screw NC B18.6.7M, and in the hole specification it will be M6. The end condition will be through all. Now choose the position button and click on 3D sketch and zoom here. Change the orientation of the model and select the center point. Now choose the OK button. Now mirroring the last two features, from the features command manager, go to linear pattern flyout and choose the mirror button, and in the mirror face plane choose the front plane, and features to mirror, choose the boss extrude 2 and the counter bore which we have created. Now choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is an extruded feature. From the features command manager, go to reference geometry flyout and choose the plane button, and in the first reference choose the front plane, and in the depth spinner put the value 90. and choose the OK button. Click here and choose the sketch button. Now we will draw the sketch of the extruded feature. Go to line drop down, select the center line, click on the origin and create one vertical line. Now go to rectangle drop down, click on center rectangle, click on the center line and create one rectangle. Now go to smart dimension, dimension the rectangle. Here put the value 184, click here and put the value 20, click here and here put the value 70. Now our sketch is fully defined. Choose the OK button, exit from the sketch environment. Now choose the extruded boss base button and choose the sketch. Change the orientation of the model. Now reverse the direction from the direction 1 rollout and change the end condition to up to next and choose the OK button. Click on the plane and choose the hide button. Now creating the next feature, go to features command manager and select the extruded cut button. Next select the right planar face of the extruded feature, click here. The sketch environment is invoked, go to line drop down, select the center line, click on the origin and click here. Go to line drop down, select the line and click here, here and here, click here, click here. Invoke the arc tool, create one more arc, one big arc, click here and click here. Now go to smart dimension, click at this point and the center line and put the value 22.5. Click on this line and here put the value 18. Zoom here, click on this line and at this point put the value 94. Click on this arc and put the value 6.5. Choose the OK button, go to display and delete relations, choose the add relation. In the selected entities, select this arc and select this arc and give it a relation equal. Now choose the OK button, go to smart dimension, select this arc and put the value 22. Choose the OK button, go to smart dimension, click on this point and this point and put the value 10. Now click on the origin and here and put the value 75. Click here and here. Now put the value 60. Now click here and here and put the value 62. Click at this point and this point and put the value 73. Now choose the OK button. The sketch is fully defined. Now exit the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. The cut extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be through all. Click here. Change the orientation of the model. Now choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is the extrude cut feature. From the features command manager, select the extruded cut button and select the planar face. Click here Now go to line drop down, select the line, zoom here, click here and create one horizontal line. Invoke the arc tool, create one vertical line, again invoke the arc tool, create one more arc, create one more arc, create one line and join both the lines. Now go to smart dimension, click here and here and put the value 7.5. Click here and here and put the value 4. Click at this point and here and put the value 62. Now go to display and delete relations drop down and choose the add relation. In the selected entities, select this arc and this circle and give the relation concentric. Now choose the OK button. Again go to display and delete relations drop down, choose the add relation. In the selected entities, select this line and this line and give the relation parallel. Choose the OK button. Now go to smart dimension, click here and here, put the value 4. Now click here and put the value 9. Now click here and put the value 25 and choose the OK button. Now go to display and delete relations drop down, go to add relation, click this line and here and give the relation concentric. Now choose the OK button. Now zoom out and zoom in here, go to smart dimension, click here and put the value 13. Click here and put the value 10. Choose the OK button. Go to display and delete relations drop down, go to add relation. In the selected entities, select this arc and this arc and give the relation equal. Choose the OK button. Now go to display and delete relations drop down, select the add relation. In the selected entities, zoom here, select this arc and the circle and give the relation concentric. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. The cut extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind and here put the value 2.5. Change the orientation of the model. Now choose the OK button. Now we have created the cut feature. Now we will mirror it. Go to linear pattern flyout from the features command manager and select the mirror button. The mirror property manager is displayed. In mirror face plane, open feature manager design tree and select the right plane and features to mirror, select the cut extrude 5. Now choose the OK button. After creating the model, we will create its configuration using the configuration manager. So choose the configuration manager, click here. Then now we need to change the name of the default configuration to right fork body, for which click here and press the F2 button. Now we can edit the name and name it as right fork body and press enter. After changing the name of the default configuration, we will create the second configuration and name it as left fork body, for which right click over here and select the add configuration button and in the configuration name it as left fork body and choose the OK button. Click here. So the left fork body is selected. Click on the feature manager design tree. Now we need to suppress some parts, for which click here and make it suppress. Click here make it suppress, click here and select the suppress button. So now we have created the left fork body. Now go to configuration manager, and if we select on the right fork body, it's still here, and we can change it to left fork body by double clicking on it. Now go to save drop down and select the save as button and select the motorcycle project folder, and here name it as fork bodies. Now choose the save button. Now our model is saved. Thanks for watching the video.